Well, everyone, the title is correct. Your boy did actually get the Galaxy Z Flip, and I did have to spend a majority of my money on this thing, so I'm not going to be able to eat for like the next couple days, but it's totally okay. I think it's a more than a good enough investment for you guys. And the funny thing is, I'm going to make this video and I'm going to make the comparisons, and they're literally not going to get any views, and then it's going to be a waste of time, but it doesn't matter. I do it for you guys. This thing, I don't remember how much it cost, like 1,400 bucks, brand new, and it just got delivered today, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it. Now, I feel super special owning this thing because apparently there's only like a few people in the world who even own this thing, so I'm actually really happy about it. So hopefully you guys can start respecting me now. I know you guys don't really respect me at all, but okay, there was something. I think I messed something up. Okay, let's boot this open. And Samsung always does this thing in every single unboxing, and I unboxed the Note 10s, and this is the same thing that happened then. Basically, you can't get those things out until you like rip the box open, but whatever. And then Samsung, I guess, puts a little thing over here. It's a little thing. Nobody's gonna read it though. And as you can see, you have the Galaxy Z Flip here, and it's funny, they actually have care instructions on this thing now. I own the Galaxy Fold, and you've probably seen those videos. Maybe actually you probably didn't, because those videos don't get any views either. And I don't think Samsung put anything like this on that phone, but as you can see, I'll put this to the side for a second. Let's just see what's inside of it. And literally every time I watch an unboxing video, everyone puts the phone to the side. That's like the most important part, but I guess I gotta keep you guys waiting. In the box, there's a charging cable, or whatever this thing is, USB cable, and then I guess headphones right there as well. Let's see what these are. So AKG headphones are right there in the box as well as a little charging port, and then USB-A to USB Type-C connector right there, I believe. And that really pretty much covers that up. Now let me go ahead and take care of this phone. Now as you can see, this is the main star of the show. If I flip it to the back, maybe we can, okay, there we go. Oh, okay, that was really weird. Okay, we can pull off the screen protector as well. And this is a very confusing process. I'm not really too sure how to do this. Okay, I guess that was something. And here we have the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now, I don't know where the power button is. I think it's this one right here. Let's see if we can power it on. And we are able to power it on. Now, surprisingly, there's already been a ton of people complaining about this specific phone, and specifically the screen technology in it. Now, this is more or less the same as what I already expected. And you can see, there we go. Oh my god, the noise. And one thing for sure, this is definitely a long phone. I have an iPhone 10 right here, and you can definitely see what the differences are right there. It's definitely much longer. There's a much taller screen on this for sure. It doesn't necessarily mean it's better, but my first impressions for sure, I mean, it definitely feels very premium, and I actually like this type of form factor way more than the Galaxy Fold. I think the Galaxy Fold was a little weird. And as you can see, let's go ahead and bend the screen down. As you can see, you know what, I'll be honest, it's going to take some time getting used to. With the Galaxy Fold, it definitely didn't seem as harsh of a fold. Like this one definitely seems much harder, like almost like I'm not breaking it, and it's definitely feels super premium, but it definitely feels kind of weird when I close it. As you can see, we do have that display right here, which I don't know how to activate it. Oh, there we go. Okay, and I think we can swipe around on it too. Probably not. USB Type-C port on the bottom, on the sides, the power button right here, as well as the volume rockers. On the back side, nothing, and on the top, nothing. So no headphone jack on this, which is expected, honestly, at this point. I think we all are expecting that. So I'm going to go through and go ahead and go through this setup. And I just dropped it. So I'll go ahead and go through this setup, and we'll come back when it's done. And I just got through all this setup, and really, it's more or less the same what I already expected. I don't know, like, at this point, I think probably because I own so many phones, I think the wow factor's kind of gone for me, especially since I already own the Galaxy Fold. But what I will definitely tell you is that the form factor for this phone is definitely much, much better than the form factor of the Galaxy Fold. I don't know, I heard rumors that Samsung is working on another Galaxy Fold, but this one definitely makes much more sense to me. This is something that I see is much more practical for a lot more people. It's not like a super bulky thing. I know a lot of people like that Galaxy Fold. I definitely liked mine when I owned it, but like, I don't know. I think this is much more practical for me, but I definitely do like it. First impressions, I mean, it's definitely super premium. It feels almost more premium than like my Galaxy S10s that I own. I have all the Galaxy S10s right here, and this is the S10 Plus, and you can see what the build quality, or more so the size difference is. It's almost as tall as the S10 Plus for sure. Here's the S10e, and it's definitely much, much smaller. And then here's the actual Galaxy S10. And you can see again, it's definitely taller than all those devices. I think the S10 Plus is probably the best kind of comparison we have here. You can see it's much taller than it, but the S10 Plus is definitely much wider. I actually do like how the Galaxy Z Flip is like kind of sleeker, so you can kind of reach the other side much easier. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but yeah, that really pretty much covers it. You guys already know I'm going to be dropping a bunch of comparisons, a bunch of reviews on this phone. I keep dropping this. It feels like this phone is top heavy for me. I usually don't drop my phones that often. Just kidding, I drop my phones all the time. But this one just feels top heavy for me. It shouldn't be falling these many times out of my hand. I don't know. Or maybe because it's so tall, I'm kind of disproportionate, I don't know. But the amount of videos I'm going to drop for this thing, it'll practically feel like you guys own it. So keep a look down on the channel so you guys don't miss that. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that would mean so much. But definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.